Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan cheesecakes. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll show you how it's made.
Roughly chop your walnuts. Then blend together with pitted dates. Fill up your muffin tin with the mixture. Then, using the back of a glass, press down to create your crust. Then, blend together soaked cashews, lemon juice, maple syrup, coconut oil, and coconut cream. Pour over your crust and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until everything is set.
Alright guys, once you let these harden up a little bit, you can add your favorite flavor to this. You can make these peanut butter, chocolate, strawberry flavor, anything you like. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It's really creamy, just like a regular cheesecake, and I love the crust. If you like this recipe, it'll be found at the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.